The global cocoa market is expanding due to rising demand, however. There have been cocoa bean shortages due to climate change, poor farming practices, and rising consumer awareness around ethical sourcing. Processing among producers worldwide has been impacted, causing fluctuating pricing and supply. Chocolate makers rely on West Africa for cocoa, raising concerns about price hikes, farmer livelihoods, and the inability of manufacturers to meet demand.
Through expert formulation science, IMCD South Africa have developed a way to reduce cocoa usage in bakery applications without compromising taste or quality.
These perfectly baked goodies offer the same premium flavor delivery as traditional chocolate muffins, such that even in times of cocoa shortages, producers can prevent loss of production and still meet demand.
Our chocolate muffin has a 29% reduction in cocoa, translating to 4.87% in baker's percentage. Not only does one benefit in the reduction, but also with optimized texture and sponge, as well as a shelf life of 7+ days and excellent freeze stability, where even after 2 weeks defrosted, they tasted just as good. With a spectacular blend of cocoa flavoring, caramel color emulsifiers, and modified starches, they're as delicious as they are innovative.
You would simply never know the difference in taste and texture,
making it the ideal choice.
Contact the IMCD team today and lead the way in cocoa innovation.